I spent 313,315 naira on skincare, and honestly, you need to see what is inside this box. Hi Fab family, welcome back to the Fab Life with Naomi, and today's video is so special because I spent 313,315 naira on skincare products. And guys, I'm going to be unboxing everything with you guys right here, and let's see if this glue worth the price. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. The first one that I have here is this Dr. T Vitamin C Shea Sugar Scrub, and the two of them is 26,030 naira. I got two because I don't like running out of something, so these are just how it look like, and it's very nice on the body. Dr. T products are really cool on the skin. And I also have the Garnier Day Brightening Cream. This is a face cream and it's from Garnier, and Garnier products are really nice. This is just the way it's looking, and this is just how it's looking. It's really cute. I love the way the package is really nice. And this is a face cream for brightening, and it's mostly used for daytime, not at night. I only bought one on this, and these go for 17,575 naira. We also have Snail Musin, and this is the Snail Musin moisturizer. I got the both of them for 37,050 naira. But I also bought this face mask. They are four. This is two. The both of them are four. It's a face mask and it's rice face mask, and the name is I Am Rice Mask Sheet. They are really nice, and I bought the four of them for 14,016 naira. I also bought the ordinary. This is the serum, and this is the glycolic acid. I'm going to show you guys how it looks inside. So this is how it looks inside. It's mostly used to treat dark spot. If like you have a dark elbow, dark knee, you can use it to clean it up, and you also use it on your face for brightening and glow. You don't use it every time. You can use it for just maybe once or twice in a week, because when you hear glycolic acid, you know what it is. And the both of them is 67,450. I also got my body lotion. This is the Dr. T body lotion, and it's really nice. This is what I've been using for the past couple of weeks, and it's really nice on my skin. They are lotions, and I got three, and the three of them worth 28,800 naira. And this is also Dr. T body wash, and I also got one, and this one go for 11,400 naira. I know some of you be like, why she use all her products and more of Dr. T? Because her products are really nice and they work well on my skin, so that's why I'm using them. Not that they are sponsoring this video, okay. I also got the SY product. It's used to correct dark spots on your face. I got 3 pairs, and this product is really good. Let me show you guys how it looks inside. This is how it's looking inside. I saw this on TikTok, and people say it's really nice on the skin, that when you use it, your skin will look like glass skin. I don't know actually, but I want to test it, and I'll come and give you guys feedback. So I got the 3 of them for 53,190 naira. I also got this Aqua. This is a sunscreen. This is the Misha, and this sunscreen is really nice. It has SPF 50, and I really love it. I'm going to leave the screenshot up here because I've not opened them yet. And the 3 of them worth 57,760. Because I got a lot of stuff from her, she dashed me this Mary and May Believe in Truth, and this is how it looks inside. You can see them here, 1, 2, 3. This is how they look. So I think this one is just to test. It's a freebie anyway that she normally gives to her customer, and this one said it contains collagen line. That is what it contains, and each of those 3 products here, they have their different work they work. Like this one is the collagen booster lotion, while this one is the Marina collagen 95% serum, and this one is niacinamide 1%. Collagen is 46.6%, and it's cleansing foam. This is a cleansing foam, while this is a serum for collagen, and this is also a collagen booster lotion. So that's how they look here. After this one, she gave me another one. Let me show you guys. And this is the second one, and this one is 2, and it's the same. They are both the same. And this one is the hyaluronic acid watering sun gel, as you can see. So this is just the freebies that she gave to me. These are just the freebies she gave to me for me to test. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you need more skincare review, or you want to see how these products I've got, they are working on my skin, let me know in the comment section. And if you have not watched my previous video on my skincare, you need to see them because you will love them. So guys, thanks for watching today's video. Please do want to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share to your friends and loved ones. And if you like beauty, hair and lifestyle content, this is the right place to be. And from me to you, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.